Are you trying to fix WhatsApp voice message problems because you cannot hear the voice messages that your friends share to you? This is exactly the video that might work for you. First of all, go to the settings and scroll it down until you see the app section. Click on it and now search for WhatsApp. You can either scroll it or for ease you can just search in the search bar and click on WhatsApp, and you will see the permission section here. Now you need to make sure that your audio has access. Click on microphone and you need to make sure that this is allowed. This is allowed. And music and audios are also allowed. Phone is also allowed. Just make sure that all of these are allowed. If this still doesn't work, then go to the storage section. Click on clear data or clear cache. This should fix the problem. If it still doesn't solve the problem, then go to Play Store. Search for WhatsApp and try to update it to the latest version. Here, as you can see, it is updated. If not, then in your mobile it will show update instead of open. So click on update and make sure that you have up-to-date version, and this should solve the problem. If it still doesn't solve, make sure that your sound levels are also working at the proper level. Increase media sounds, and this should solve your problem. Thank you for watching.